My name is Zara and I'm from YOLO Family Vans. My family and I have traveled for 2 years in a Sprinter 4x4, vanlifing. We traveled across 4 continents, North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. With our experience living in a van, we were able to think of new and creative items that we needed that weren't really around, so we made them ourselves. Right now, I'm going to show you the Bunklevator, the E-Bunklevator. It was one of those things that we always wanted to have, but it wasn't really around, so we created it ourselves. My little brother Max named it the E-Bunklevator. It's an electric bunkless system and levator like an elevator. It sleeps about 4 to 5 people comfortably, and this bottom mattress is a queen size mattress and the top is a double. As you can see here, this mattress is one whole piece, not a bunch of little cushions put together from the lounge area to make a bed. We prefer this way because you don't want those little weird cracks in between the pillows to kind of bother you when you sleep. But this way it's more comfortable. If you heard earlier, this bed is a bunklevator, like an elevator going up and down. It is run on a motor, and I will show you it right now. Mommy, can you turn it up? There's a switch in the very far front that controls this bunklevator going up and down. You can also control it on your phone with a Bluetooth connection. This top bed goes all the way up to the ceiling, so you can save as much space as you want. Now you have a lounge for yourself. This bunklevator can hold 500 pounds, meaning that's actually quite a lot of things you can hold on it. We make sure that we can have actual proper mattresses, nice pillows, nice blankets, so we can actually hold it on our bed. Some people take really light and not really good quality blankets and pillows, making their sleep not as comfortable, but all because their bunklevator or their bed can't hold enough weight. Over down in the bottom here, there's so much space. You can do anything really. Read a book, have a dining table. We make sure we have a lot of space in our van because if you're trapped in the van when it's all raining, you won't want to really just be all in the same place all crammed together. Over here you have so much space to move your arms around and probably just nap. If you're a lazy person in the morning and don't really like to make your bed, all you have to do with this E-Bunklevator is lift it all up and poof, everything, all the mess in your bed is gone. Another cool thing about this E-Bunklevator is that it can be put in almost any van or camper van you want, and the bed sizes can be varied. It's a double, queen, or even king, depending on how big your vehicle is. It's getting pretty late, so I need to bring the beds all down. I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm going to take this remote right here on the phone, press the button to bring it down. And just like that, you're ready to sleep. If you do want one of these bunklevators or have any questions about it, don't forget to contact us at yolofamilyvanlife.ca. There you can see all the cool things we're making right now, right after our trip with all the experience we've had. And if you have any questions, don't forget to contact us.